Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. Today in our math tutorial series, we will be reviewing how to calculate seller net profit from a real estate transaction. Net profit is the amount of profit after paying any fees associated with the closing and loan payoff. This will allow the seller to find the minimum sales price of their home needed to net this amount. We can find the net profit in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add desired net, closing costs, and loan payoff together. Step 2. Take 100% minus the commission rate. And the third and final step. Divide Step 1's answer by Step 2's answer. Let's do a question together. The seller would like to net $75,000 on the sale of their home. There is an estimated closing cost of $1,500 and a loan payoff of $58,000. They have agreed to pay a total of 5.5% in broker commission. What sales price is needed to net this amount? Let's take the desired net amount, $75,000, plus the closing costs of $1,500, plus the loan payoff, $58,000. Add these three together to equal $134,500. For Step 2, let's take 100% minus the commission rate, 5.5%. 100% minus 5.5% equals 94.5%. And for Step 3, let's take the answers from Step 1, $134,500, and divide that by Step 2's 94.5%. The minimum sales price of the seller's home will need to be $142,328.04 to bring in the desired net of $75,000. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.